if I told you that you could build a YouTube channel that earns money while you sleep, without showing your face, and without spending a single dollar on tools? This isn't a dream. This is the power of free AI, and today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it to build a passive income machine. Welcome to AI Money Secrets, where we teach you how to leverage AI to grow your money and design a financially free future. In today's video, I'll walk you through the exact process of starting a faceless YouTube automation channel using only free AI tools. No camera, no mic, no editing skills required. And stick with me because I'll also reveal how this can scale into a six-figure passive income stream. Why this works. There are thousands of channels, faceless, nameless, making thousands of dollars every month. And they're not lucky, they're strategic. They're using automation, AI, and data to scale fast. And you can too. With the right tools, the right system, and consistency, this model can literally change your life. Step 1. Find your profitable niche. Before creating anything, you need to know your niche. A niche is simply the focused topic your channel will revolve around. The more specific, the better. Ask yourself, what are your hobbies? What do you love researching? What problems can you solve for others? Then use chatgpt to brainstorm topic ideas. You can prompt it with, give me 10 trending YouTube niche ideas that are beginner-friendly and profitable. Next, validate demand using Google Trends. See if people are searching for it. YouTube search. Type keywords and see auto-suggestions. Uber suggest, free, for SEO volume. Example niches, AI tools for freelancers. Budgeting with AI, faceless productivity hacks, AI for small businesses. Step 2, generate viral video ideas with ChatGPT. This is where most people get stuck. What video should I make? Here's the strategy. Go to a successful channel in your niche. Filter their videos by most popular. Pick one that blew up. Ask ChatGPT, give me 5 viral video title variations based on this topic. Paste title. Now write me a full script for video idea number 3. Let ChatGPT handle the outline, the hook, and the call to action. Refine the output, add your voice, and boom, you've got your script. Step 3. Create a voiceover with 11 Labs. Next, let's bring your script to life using AI voiceovers. Go to 11labs.io, sign up, choose a free voice. Pro tips, choose a tone that fits your brand. Calm, energetic, professional. Paste your script into the editor and preview different voices. Download the audio once you're happy. Alternative ttsmp3.com. Free option with fewer features. Step 4. Build your video with Pictory AI or CapCut. This is where the magic happens. Go to Pictory AI or CapCut Web. Import your script and voiceover. It automatically finds stock footage to match your script. Here's a secret trick. Ask ChatGPT, give me one image prompt for each sentence of this video script. Then use that to pull accurate visuals that align with your narration. Tips for visual flow. Keep scenes short, 3 to 5 seconds max. Add dynamic captions, use AI B-roll, tech interfaces, graphs, money, computers, etc. Use CapCut if you want full manual control. It's free and browser-based. Step 5. Design a clickable thumbnail with Canva. Your thumbnail is your click magnet. Without a good one, your video won't get watched. Use Canva, free. Choose a YouTube thumbnail template. Drag in images, icons, and bold fonts. Tips. Use 3 to 4 words max bright colors. Yellow, red, green, faces, or clear icons like always test different styles. Step 6. Upload and optimize in YouTube. Studio time to publish. But first, optimize for reach. Inside YouTube Studio, add a title with keywords. Write a detailed description, include your tool links, CTAs. Add 3 to 5 hashtags. Our AI tools, large faceless YouTube, or passive income. Select a playlist to keep viewers binge watching. What's stopping you from starting your own YouTube automation channel? Drop a comment below. I reply to everyone. Already tried any of these tools? Share your experience. Financial freedom isn't just for the lucky. It's for those who take action. These free AI tools have removed all the barriers. Now it's just you, your message, and the willingness to stay consistent. If you got value from this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and join the AI Money Secrets community. We're just getting started.